Hello my people, how are you doing over there? So today we're just going to go through this Binance bonuses. What does that mean? Because I remember for the first time when I just receiving this information, I thought that I was receiving a lot of money from the Binance, but after maybe doing some research and doing a lot of this and understanding, then I just came to realize one thing that I'm going to show you in this video. How do you do about these bonuses? What you're just going to get over there? So I received this notification from the Binance, and it says that buy crypto at least $50 and get 1,000 savings trial voucher. You're going to get 1,000 BUSD, that is Binance USD, okay? And BUSD is all equivalent to, you can just count it like USDT. They are almost the same, so it's like receiving 1,000 USDT to venture into the trial of the savings. So I'm going to do is now deposit this one, buy crypto worth 50 USDT dollars, and then you're just going to receive that BUSDT, that is 1,000 BUSDT. So first what I'm going to do now is to buy the crypto worth $50 of the BUSD of USDT on the peer-to-peer trading, and however here I'm going to buy 52 of it, and I'll confirm everything, and everything will just be absolutely over here, and then I'm just be done with that process. It will just very easy because through peer-to-peer trading. If you just don't know anything about peer-to-peer trading, you can just click in the link in the description. Also, I'll leave the link there, or you can check one of my videos. I've just talked with that a lot of times on how to buy the crypto on the peer-to-peer trading. Very easy. Okay, today we're just going to live with this thing. It's very easy how to do with these Binances, because after doing all this, we are going to receive the bonus to Binance, and then we just redeem that bonus, and then we just use that bonus to save for the 7 days, and at the end of 7 days we are going to receive a certain commission. The commission will be ours. Okay, so I'm going to claim your savings trial fund. You can see we have sent you a savings trial fund worthy just like that one. So the moment you just click that, you can see trial fund is 7 days trial. We are going now to redeem, okay, because after buying the crypto worthy of 50 USD, you can see now I have sent that money to our wallet, and now we just have to redeem. After redeeming, then you just have to go to the Binance savings, come to explain about the savings, because over here you just also make money, absolutely big amount of money over here also. But after doing that, you just have to come to the savings over here, and first of all, what you just have to, because they will just give you instruction what you have to do, make sure that you just go to the flexible savings, and then you just find the BUSD that they were talking about over here. But make sure that you just follow instructions first of all. We missed something over here. Did we miss something? Let me just check over here, because there is the instruction that we were given on how we are going to invest over here in this area. You can see when we come to the earn over here, you can see everything over here, because on the earn, this is our money will come after investing of BUSD. And you can see over here what it tells over here. We have sent you over that, and we now have to claim. We have sent you savings of 1,000 BUSD, and now we are just going to redeem our trial for free. And after redeeming that one, then we are just going to invest that one for the free trial in the savings account. And after saving, as I said earlier, the amount of money, the interest rate just beginning in 1 week, that will automatically be ours. Okay, so of course everything just moves to the reward center, so you just have to click the reward center after doing all the instructions. So let's just repeat this one, and then now just click redeem, because you can see we are going to redeem that one now. So let me just going to repeat that one so that we can just receive and it tells us that go to the savings page. So I'm going to the savings page by clicking that, and after clicking that one, it will just take us over here automatically. But in other time you can just click hand and then it will just take you over here also. Then after it takes that over here, then it's just very easy now. And you can see over here, you can see those messages you have received over there. So I'm going to follow this instruction until I just reach over there to the savings. And the moment you just do that, you can see over here now it is just takes over here where you just have to subscribe, and this is where you just see, you can see over here on Binance 0.27398 BUSD per day, and you can see I've been given 1000 BUSD to try savings for free. And guess what? All this interest rate, estimated interest 0.27398 will be mine, and this will just go up to 7 days. Okay, so this will just be go up to the 7 days. You can see between 0 to 500 BUSD, that is 10%. 500 to 20,000 BUSD, that is 1.5%. so any amount of money will just be earning from there. All those interest will just be yours. Okay, so you can even multiply. Let's just go to the calculator. I will just go to the calculator, and then we just try to see how much amount of money we are just going to earn. You can see subscription date is there, and the value date is there, and then the end of it. So I just have to confirm, and you can see subscriptions confirmed. Okay, at the end of the cycle, at the end of 7 days, I will come to the redeem over there, cumulative profit, and then I just redeem, and then the money will just be sent. Money will just come to the fiat and the spot account of mine, which is 0.2 whatever 727 we have seen times 7 days. So the next thing I'm going to do over here is now just do some calculations so that I can just show you how amount of money we just be earning in that case. It's just very easy. Okay, as I said, you also remember that 1 BUSD is almost also equivalent to 1 USDT. So if you have BUSD, you can just even convert. They're the same. Okay, they are almost similar to, their prices are almost equal to that one of USDT. So yeah, so I'm just waiting to finish something over here, then we can just do some calculations on how amount of money we are just going to earn. Okay, so let me just go to my calculator over here, and I will show you our amount of money we are just going to earn. So you can see the price of BUSD to Kenya shillings, by the way, or to Kenya shillings, is equivalent to how much? So you can see 1 Binance USD is equivalent to 115.46. So we just be earning that one. So when the moment you just calculate that one, so our amount of BUSD we are going to earn in 1 week. You just go to the calculator over here, after going to the calculator over here, because we just be earning 0.27 every day, then you just multiply that times 2, so that is 0.27 times 7 times 115, that is 161 Kenya shillings. So it's not banned by just doing something very simple. You just be earning 161 Kenya shillings for free, and the moment you just complete this task, you're going to be maybe to be allocated to do more and higher tasks that maybe can just help you to make even 500 Kenya shillings in 1 week for free, because it's just free. Just deposit, and maybe you can just decide to withdraw your money for free at the same day. So if you just have any question about this Binance bonuses, you can leave the question in the comment section. I'll make sure that I always reply that. Subscribe to this channel so that you can just enjoy an amazing content just like this, and it will help you make money online through cryptocurrency and Binance trading and all those things. See you next time. Goodbye.